G'day guys. So my recent trip to the Philippines. The first stop that we made was the 100 Islands National Park. Wow, what a sight. Yeah, it's literally just over 100 islands. I think it was 124 if I'm not mistaken. You go to the end of the top island, which is Luzon. You get a boat and they'll take you around a couple of the islands. It's really magical to see it. Each island has a small beach and it looks like it was created by some volcanic activity. So do watch out, you might get sharp edges on certain places, but all in all you are safe to travel almost on all of them. There are people selling food, there's a restaurant, as I mentioned there's beaches. One or two of them has a couple of hotels. Really amazing. Spent the day there. I think we visited about 10 or 12 islands. Flew the drone. Amazing shots of the couple of islands in that area, and then also the statue, which is the main attraction. If you guys are ever in Luzon, really this is a must-see. You can tick off so many islands in a couple of hours. It's really worth it. Please like and follow this video. It will really support my channel. Thank you. Enjoy.